All right, this is the last thing. Hopefully all my lessons aren't going to be like part 17. All right. So let's use this. There's a lot of situations. We're just going to talk about this real quick. I'm not going to do a actual example just because class is going to be over any second now. We're going to talk about an angle of elevation. You remember these problems where, like, let's say this is a cliff, all right, and, oh my goodness, I hate to put my drawing on the internet for the world to see, but there we go. Say this is a cliff and you're up here and there's a boat down here. That's the water. Look at that. I don't know, somebody might want me for art school or something after seeing this. Okay, so you see the boat. The angle of elevation. Let's talk about the angle of elevation. Or actually, let's do the angle of depression. The angle of depression is from the horizontal, and this is what you have to remember. It's from the horizontal down, angle of depression. So what you need to do is you need to see the horizontal, okay, which is that right there. Can you see that yellow? There's the horizontal. So when they talk about the angle of depression, they'll say, okay, here's somebody on top of a cliff looking at a boat, their line of sight or whatever they'll say the angle of depression is whatever. Okay, this right here is the angle of depression. Let's go back to another color. Let's go red. All right, so that right there, we'll call it theta. That's the angle of depression. Now, inside the triangle, though, and they'll tell you different heights, okay? You'll see the problem when you get to it. Again, we're short on time here. If this angle right here is angle theta, inside this triangle, is there any kind of relationship between that? Yeah, which one? This one down here, that's right. So a lot of times you'll see books say the angle of elevation equals the angle of depression. That's what they're talking about. This is the angle of depression. It goes from the horizontal down. What is this? This goes from the horizontal what? Up. So that would be the angle of elevation. Does that make sense? Yeah. And of course they'll give you the angle. They'll give you either this length and this one, and this. They'll give you two of the lengths, most likely. Or they'll actually give you the angle and one length, you know, and then you have to do some trig. It's the same kind of stuff. Once you set up the picture, then everything's the same. All right? Now, you wanted me to write the homework on here, right? So it is obviously section, whoops, that's weird looking. Section 13.1, and we're going to do pages 813, 814, and we're doing 13 to 45. Now it sounds like a lot, but a lot of these problems, you just have to look at them, and it might say, what's the tangent of the angle? You know, a lot of it it's not real difficult, time-consuming work to do. All right, so there we go. All right, we good? Look at that, we finished before class was over. I should have some kind of sign-off phrase. What should I say? Think of something cool to say. Kate, what do you think? Oh my goodness. Should I stop my recording? What? Earth Day? Oh, see, that's why I'm wearing brown, because I'm Earth Day. Yeah, it's you know, just take care of the earth and earth recognition, plant a tree, you know, that kind of stuff. All right, we'll see you guys.